So snake and lizard are included in reptiles. Reptile means animal which crawl. For example, snake and lizard. Crawl means what? Crawl means move forward on the head or knees, or by dragging the body closed on the ground. So crawl means to move forward on the hands and knees by dragging the body close to the land, like snake and lizard. We must have seen this. Snake and lizard also crawl on the land. Now let's move ahead. Mammals. Which animals are included in mammals? Now see, all animals those give birth to their young ones, that all are included in mammals. For example, cow, then monkey, giraffe, tiger, lion. Then all these animals, they give birth to their young ones. So they all are included in mammals. So there are two main characteristics of animals. So mammals are the most evolved animals among the vertebrates. Mammals also mammals also include in vertebrates, and so all these mammals they have two main characteristics. So these are first, growth of the baby in mother's womb, means mother's stomach, for some time before birth. All these mammals like cow, monkey, then the giraffe. So all these mammals growth, they give their they give the birth to their young one. The growth of their baby in their mother's womb for some times before the birth, and after the birth, what happened after the birth? This mammal feed their young ones on their body. So the babies feed on the mother's milk for some time after the birth. So these two main characteristics of the mammals, that is the growth of the baby in the mother's womb for some time before the birth, and the baby is fed on the mother's milk for some time after the birth. The platypus and this anteater, these two animals, the platypus and anteaters. Anteaters means what? Chiti khane wala. So they also include in mammals, even they lay eggs, means these animals are included in mammals even though they lay eggs, because they suckle their young ones, they feed their young ones, they feed their milk to their young ones. That's why this anteater and platypus are included in mammals. Now see, apes. Apes are somewhat like human in appearance, means it's looking like monkey. It's kind of monkey, but it's totally look like somewhat like human's appearance, means it's looking like human being also, but it is monkey. Apes is a kind of monkey, but it's looking like humans. So they mostly on the trees like monkey. Those species of apes which continue to live on trees retain their original ape-like form, and however in grasslands some ape species were forced to move around on the ground. These species evolved gradually and in time gave rise to human species, as we learn evolution of the mankind in your history, how we come to be. So in earlier time, these apes, in earlier time, you can see here these apes, and after some changes in environment, these apes become a human being. This we come to be. In this way we come to. So this happened first on African continent, and the first human species is called a primitive man. So the first human appear in African continent, and this first human species is called primitive man. Primitive means the first, primary, and in the next lesson we will learn more about that evolution of human species. So underline this word, primitive man. Primitive man. Primitive means the first, the primary, and where this primitive where happened this happened in first African continent, and the first human species is called primitive man. So in this way our lesson is finished. We will learn about evolution of human species in next lesson. So fair enough. Good day student. Bye bye.